I'm Elizabeth Ringus. I am your ACE president, and I'm excited to be here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg riding Verbolten Forbidden Turn. And today I get the honor to ride with Haley Duffy, Director of Engineering at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we're going to give you a little insight into this re-theme. So Verbolten is what it was. We have the same fabulous ride, but today we're experiencing the Forbidden Turn, and we might turn right.
We might. You're not supposed to.
And I have a train full of American coaster enthusiasts riding along with me who's having a great day. All right, so what is your favorite part of all of the re-theme, Haley?
I think my favorite part's the drop. I just love how, honestly, I think it's beautiful, but scary and awesome, and there's just so many elements on it, between like LEDs, animatronic, lasers, all of it, sound. I love how that part came out.
Really nice. And our first new element is our billboard. And then we enter the building for a whole new show theme. All the way. We have a new huge tree that the coaster actually zips right through.
There's a car.
And then we enter the really unique element.
Yes, this is definitely my favorite part.
What was the most challenging part?
Honestly, getting everything up into place, because there's a whole roller coaster already installed. Having to install everything above and around it was a real challenge.
My favorite part of that ride. I love this part right here.
And this part's always great.
It is. This is the flashback to Big Bad Wolf, and so we actually take a very similar drop. What a ride. I just love how the theme is cohesive from the queue line all the way through. And you were telling me about how the music moves along with you. Can you tell our watchers about it?
Yeah, definitely. So even the music in the queue is the same kind of theme from the queue. It just keeps changing to like polka, to radio music, to like almost like grunge in the building. But yeah, it's that same theme if you listen closely.
And Frau Hexel is the first animatronic that came to Busch Gardens Williamsburg. And on the drop track, there are 3 different expressions and experiences with Frau Hexel and her brood, right?
Yep, definitely. So it's like a throwback to the original ride, that there are 3 different things she says.
This ride has so much history parked into it, all the way from Big Bad Wolf to the original Verbolten.
Yes, definitely.
Yes. Well, thanks for riding along with me, Haley, and thanks for riding along with me at home. I hope you'll make it out to Busch Gardens Williamsburg this summer, and check out ridewithace.com if you want to be out at an early day media day like we are.
Turn right.
Auf Wiedersehen!